In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the inbox appearance of Zoho Mail's inbox. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity or simply want a fresh look for your daily email interactions, customizing your Zoho Mail inbox can truly transform your experience. So, let's dive in and get started with these easy steps. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Mail platform. Open your preferred web browser and go to Zoho Mail's official website. Once there, log into your account if you haven't already. You'll be greeted by your standard inbox view, which might have become quite familiar by now. But don't worry, we're about to give it a brand new look. Next, direct your attention to the Settings icon, which you'll find located in the upper right corner of the screen. This Settings icon is your gateway to personalizing your email environment. Clicking this icon opens a menu with a variety of options. For our task today, you'll need to select the Settings option from here. After you're in the Settings panel, look for and click on the System tab. This section is loaded with customization options for your inbox, allowing you to personalize everything from performance tweaks to look and feel preferences. It's a powerful tool for tailoring your application to better fit your workflow and aesthetic preferences. Once inside, the first thing we'll do is choose a theme. Themes can change the overall visual atmosphere of your inbox. So take a moment to consider what kind of experience you want each time you open your mail. You could opt for a calming, minimalist theme for a zen-like environment, or perhaps something colorful and vibrant to keep you invigorated. Simply click through the available themes until you find the one that resonates most with you. With your theme selected, the next step is to customize the theme color. The color setting enables you to apply a personal touch, allowing you to play with various hues until you find one that not only looks good but also matches your brand or personal style. Experiment with different shades and don't hesitate to explore combinations that might surprise you. It's your workspace, so make it your own. Finally, let's look into adjusting the overall appearance. This final customization option is where you get to decide on more detailed aspects of your inbox, such as the layout and density of email elements. Choose from options like a compact view for more emails on the screen, or a spaced-out arrangement for a cleaner, more thoughtful design. Finding the right balance here can significantly enhance your email management efficiency and comfort. And that's it. With these changes, your Zoho Mail inbox should feel more personal and tailored just for you, making each email session a bit more enjoyable. Remember, these settings are always available to you, so feel free to revisit and make adjustments as your preferences evolve. Thank you for joining me on this customization journey. Enjoy your refreshed inbox.